All right. Okay, now let's go in the gym.
Gym is available 24/7. You have all of the standard equipment, free weights up to 75 pounds.
Nice storage there. That's really, really cool. As you can tell, it's being used. There's dumbbells over there and some great, oh gosh, yeah, I can get some great squats in there and bench also. So I'd say it's a medium-sized gym, but it's got a lot of good equipment for the size. So this is really, really good. And then of course it has the treadmills and elliptical right over there. That's awesome. And Stairmaster. Nice. Cool.
We also have the tire flip as well.
What is this? Would you explain this?
Tire flip. I've had a footballer tell me the exact name. Makes more sense.
Tire flip. What do you do? Flip it over. Okay. I don't think I've ever seen this, and I don't think I'll be doing this. but this looks cool. Like it.
Oh, before you come in here,